What's the meaning of chancre? Chancre. Chancre.
Chancre. Chancre. Chancre is a symptom of the sexually transmitted disease syphilis. It typically presents as a painless sore or ulcer on or around the genitals, anus, or mouth. The sore may eventually heal on its own, but if left untreated, syphilis can progress to more serious stages, ultimately leading to damage to the brain, heart, and other organs. It is imperative for anyone who suspects they may have been exposed to syphilis to seek medical attention and get tested, as early detection and treatment can prevent long-term health complications.